Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Hyd-Mech automatical horizontal bandsaw. It's a model H-14A. It was new in 2018. It's serial number 5-05-18-258-SB. It's presently wired 480 volts. I have it set up right now to do like a manual auto cycle. It's going to index devices, and your band will start. You have the ability to speed up and slow down the band in the middle of the cut with one of the potentiometers here. You also have how fast it'll saw, and the feed force is all adjustable on the fly while you cut. You can see the heads coming down. It's kind of hard to see because the doors have to be shut. With the full enclosure, the machine is equipped with a coolant system. It's going to come down when it gets to the bottom of the cut. Get about another inch or so. It'll come down. Main vise will unclamp. The head will go back up, and you can see the shuttle. If you look through here, you might be able to see it index right in there. You can see the head comes up just above the material. That's going to index, reclamp. I have it programmed to do three pieces right now at 2.5 inches. You can see the head's coming back down now. I can speed up the band a little bit so you can hear the drive. That's about 170 feet per minute on the band. Coming up. That's about 250 feet per minute on the band. Get down towards the bottom again. Once it's done, unclamp the main vise, come back up out, and it'll push the piece back in, push a new piece in. Clamps and starts cutting. I'm going to reset here. So yeah, you can see there. I'm going to stop the cycle and go into a manual mode. That way you can see the head's just going back up to clear the piece. I'm going to go into a manual mode where you can see, you can raise the head. That's a rapid up. You can rapid the head up and also rapid the head down. This is manual function. Then you can go back down. You can also rapid down, but I'll get the head up out of the way so you can see the shuttle table move. You can also open up your vise so you can see a little better. And then you can see here, you can jog. That's your shuttle inside, moving the material in and out. Like that. Again, machine's wired 480 volts, has a coolant system, also has the conveyor. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.